So, good evening, students. Now we will see the 40th question from page 17 in your objective book. Okay. So, the given question is there are two equal point charges, which is Q0 and Q0, are placed on inclined plane. Okay. So, there is a inclined plane. On that inclined plane, there is a charge Q0, and there is one more charge Q0, which is placed at the bottom. Mass of each charge is 20 grams. So mass of each charge is given as a 20 grams, and charge of this both charges is given as a plus 2 microcoulomb. Now it is given that there is no friction between charge and plane. That means the charges can slide easily, freely on this surface, and they will experience no friction. Now they said that this system is in equilibrium. Means what? This upper Q naught and lower Q naught, they both are not moving, sir. They both are at rest. And this Q naught, which is located at a height h, is taken as h, and the value of x is. That means they are asking to be in the equilibrium state. What is the height h required for this upper charge? Okay, for that what we need to do, we need to resolve the forces, sir. We need to check all the forces on this upper Q naught. So what will be the forces? Simple, all forces will be, so this Q naught which is there will have its weight in downward direction, which is mg sin theta, and mg cos theta will also be there, but it is cancelled by the normal reaction. Okay, and you will also have a weight on this body, which is taken as mg, and because of this lower charge, which is Q naught, it will experience a repulsive force. That repulsive force will be along the inclined plane only, but in upward direction. So that is electrostatic repulsive force. So this mg is resolved into mg sin theta, mg cos theta. So no need to again write mg sin theta or mg cos theta. Now this n and mg cos theta are also cancelled, so we can remove these two charges also. So what are the remaining charges which are left on this Q naught? Simply Fe and mg sin theta. That means if you can balance this Fe and mg sin theta, we will get the system into equilibrium. So what is the electrostatic force, which is given as a K Q1 Q2 by R square, that will be equal to mg sin theta. What is the K value? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the Q1 Q naught? What is Q2 Q naught only? So it will become Q naught square by R square. What is R? R is a distance on inclined plane from this charge to that charge. But we don't want R. We have to calculate H, sir, which is vertical distance. So if you imagine this as a theta, it is given as a 30 degrees. So what is the relation between H and R? H is the opposite, R is the hypotenuse. So sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite, which is H by hypotenuse R. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. So it can be written as H by R is equal to 1 by 2. So what is R? R is equal to H by, R is equal to 2H. Okay. We got this from cross multiplication. Now I am substituting R as a 2H. Here we have a R square. So it will be 2H whole square. That is equal to mg sin 30. Sin 30 we already know. What is that? 1 by 2. So I want H square, sir. I want H actually. So I will take this H onto other side. It will become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught square by 4. That mg sin 30, I am taking it to denominator on this side. it will become mg sin 30 1 by 2, that is equal to h square. So this 2 here it gets cancelled in 2 times. 2 into 4 8. So what is the h? Under root q naught square by 8 pi epsilon naught mg. So h value is so we were already given the q naught and mg value, so let's substitute, sir. 2 microcoulomb whole square, that means 2 into 10 power minus 6 whole square divided by 8 pi 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is 9 into 10 power 9, but 8 pi epsilon naught means 2 will be there in the denominator, sir. And mg value, what is m? 20 grams. Converted into kg, you will get 10 power minus 3 into g value. What is the g value? 10, sir. So if you solve this, you will get under root this 2 square becomes 4, 10 power minus 6 into whole square 10 power minus 12, that 9 into 10 power 9 divided by 2 into 20 into 10 power minus 3. So 2 into 2 I am writing 10 power minus 1. So this 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 12, so it will become 10 power minus 11, sir. 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 9, which is 10 power minus 2. So 10 power is minus 2 is left, and this 2 into 2 is 4, directly gets cancelled. So what is there? 9 into 10 power minus 2. So under root 9 means 3, under root 10 power minus 2 means 10 power minus 1. So what is the answer? 0.3. 0.3 meters. But given question is given final answer should be in the format of x into 10 power minus 3 meters. So this answer can be written as 3 into 10 power minus 1. Now divide with the 10 power minus 2. Sorry, divide with the 10 power 2, multiply with the 10 power 2, sir. 10 power 2 multiplied with the 3, it will become 300, and 10 power 2 in the denominator, it will make 10 power minus 3. So what is the x value? Finally we got x value as 300. Okay, sir. Thank you.